Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can fix the application was unable to start correctly 0xc0000142 error code Microsoft Office. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. So first, before we are going to continue with the method, is we need to know first the version of our Microsoft Office. So you have to open any of the Microsoft 365 Office products. So I'm going to open the Word, Microsoft Word. Or let's say, for example, we're going to open the Excel. Click on it under the best match. Maximize it. Then here you have to open a blank workbook or a blank sheet. Click on the File tab. Then here you have to click on More. Click on Account. And here you'll find the version of your Microsoft Office, which is the Microsoft Office Home and Student 2021. Now once done, close this. Then you have to go to the method, click on the Start button, and then go to Settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, we have to look for Apps, Installed Apps. And we need to look for the version of our Microsoft 365, which is Microsoft Office Home and Student 2021. This one. Click on the three dots and then go with Modify. Then you have here Quick Repair. Fixes most issues quickly without the need for an internet connection. Click on the Repair button. Click on Repair. Okay, so I have opened Microsoft Word. Now let me just close this. And wait for a while. Now this will just take a few minutes, so let's just wait in a while. Now done repairing, click on close. And after that, just try to see if the problem has been fixed. Now, still if the issue is there, go back to the same window, Apps, Installed Apps. Go back to the version of your Microsoft Office. Click on the three dots. Click on Modify. This time, you need to go with Online Repair. So if Quick Repair doesn't fix the issue, you can go with Online Repair. Click on the Repair button and click on Repair. But this will require an internet connection and also will take a while. So once this is done, you just need to finally make a right click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And after that, the problem will be fixed. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.